guys, so I'm at this spot right now, Kampang Bazaar. Let's go. So guys, this place is right behind the Twin Towers. The Twin Towers is just over there in the distance. If you can see, so many shops here, so many places to eat. Got laundry place here as well. This place is super busy during after Ramadan and before Ramadan. As you can see, the Twin Towers is just there. But there was this food that I wanted to try, which is called Nasi Lemak or Nasi something. Look at this. Places to eat here. It's not really that busy at the moment because everyone finished fasting. Everyone broke their fast. Everyone's finished eating. So it's not that busy. I'm still going to show you anyway. They got fireworks here, firecrackers. They got outdoor food places. This shop is closed already. They got some outdoor food places here as well. We got people that are eating here outdoors. This place is busy actually. This place is really busy. Guys, this is just going to be a quick walkthrough to show you what's around. Look at this. Nasi Lemak. This is where I gotta try the food, but not now. After. So they've got street vendors here as well. Nice. There's got plenty of food options here. You can eat. There's another one. Then there's another one here, but that's more sweets. This is sweets. And then you got restaurants here. But yeah guys, this is a beautiful spot. Got toys here. Food spots here. And on this side, and I think this part is just about finishing. Beautiful. Hello, how are you? What are you selling?
Chocolate.
Chocolate?
Chocolate banana.
Chocolate banana?
Chocolate banana, flavor, cheese, chocolate, Oreo, and milk biscuit.
Okay. I just had iftar, you know, I'm full. Look, my stomach.
Okay.
So after maybe 20 minutes, what time do you close?
Jam 2 apa lah saya?
10 o'clock? 4 in the morning? Long time. No problem. I'll come back. Okay, thank you. Alright, so as you know, this place closes at 4. Some of the shops here close at 4 o'clock. Ramadan Bazar, it closes at 8 o'clock, and this bazaar is open until 8 o'clock. So 8 o'clock, open until 4 a.m. in the morning. Wow. And there you go guys. So this bazaar just finished. That's it. A few shops over there, but oh guys, look at this. Oh, I feel like a juice. I'm super thirsty right now, so I'm about to get myself a mango juice. I can see there. I can see pomegranate. Hello brother, Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
Muhammad No.
No, how are you? Your name is Muhammad. Yes? Okay. Okay, good. Are you okay?
Speaking no.
Small English. No problem. No problem. I want one mango drink.
Mango one.
Yes, one mango please for me. Ice. Okay?
Blend it. Mango.
Mango, yes. Mango, yes, mango. Good one. Can I?
From?
I'm from England, London, but originally I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yes. Can I come see you make? Can I come inside? Inside? Okay, thank you. Being a bit cheeky there. Let me see. Oh, so it cuts up the pomegranate. Breaks them up into pieces. But you know, I want mango, yeah? One mango for me, yeah? Okay, just to make sure we're on the right track. So these are from India, right? These pomegranates are from India, guys, by the way. And then this is my one here. Just put mango in there behind my back. It's fresh mango, this one, yeah? This mango in there. Okay. Making sure, guys, just making sure. And these are the pomegranate ones that are ready. I think the mango one is nearly done. To show you. Oh yes. Oh, and he puts fresh mangoes on top. Nice. Woo. Yes, brother. Thank you. Shukran. Fill it up to the top.
Thailand, mango.
Thailand. From Thailand. Nice. Sweet mango. Yes. Thank you, brother. Thank you. So guys, it comes with a little spoon. Let's go. I'm gonna try it somewhere here. Here you go, guys. Look at this. This looks absolutely stuffed of mango juice and little bites as well. Okay, bismillah, let's try. Delicious. Wow, this is really nice. Very sweet, very sweet. You can taste the sweetness. Wow. Also, you get a spoon, scoop up the mango bits inside, and yes, it's just something different, man. You don't get this in London, bro. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, guys, juice. Which one's the best one? Good one.
Mango.
Mango? I just had mango juice. Maybe you give me something different.
This is apa? Mango, you want juice?
Which one?
For
Lemon.
hot weather in Malaysia, you should try watermelon.
What? Oh, watermelon. Thank you, sister. Thank you. Watermelon, please. Okay.
Juice or smoothies?
Juice. I order here. Okay. Hello. Assalamu alaikum. So I want to try nasi lemak,
Iya, nasi lemak.
please. Yes. One nasi lemak. Which one is nasi lemak?
Iya, nasi lemak. What do you want? Thank you.
Which one's the best? This one looks nice.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Yes.
Sweet chicken.
Chicken sweet and sauce.
Oh, nice.
Chicken little spicy.
Bitter.
Where?
Okay. And this one, oh, that's meat, something else. So it's just these two.
This one best.
This one best?
Yes.
But this one looks nice.
Okay.
Okay, I'll try one of these.
Everything is nice.
Everything nice?
I love that.
You try potato and beef potato.
Potato?
Yes.
Yeah, one.
Beef rendang.
What's this?
Beef.
Beef. Okay, one piece, yes.
One piece.
Yes.
Lauk aku makan. Iya, lauk aku.
Masana ni. Ini fish. This is the best way to eat the fish.
Thank you.
Ada sambal.
Thank you. So I pay here? Maybe after. But was telling me to try fish.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hi.
How much is this?
Okay, you want drink?
One drink. Yeah, I ordered lemon,
Okay.
watermelon. I ordered.
Yeah.
I told, yeah, I pay over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
20 ringgit, 20 cents.
So how much?
20 ringgit, 20 cents.
Guys, first time trying nasi lemak. Let's go. Thank you. So you pick your own spoons. Nice, let's try this. Get a spoon. Okay, they don't have a knife. Just a spoon and a fork. Yalla, let's go. I'm also gonna order orange juice, so not orange juice, sorry, what was it? The watermelon. So let me go and get watermelon quickly. Alright guys, so now also I ordered a watermelon, flush down the nasi lemak.
Lemak Wanjo.
The nasi lemak Wanjo. Wanjo. Hello brother, how are you?
Hey, good.
This is #1 nasi lemak here in Malaysia. #1.
It's the best.
The best in Malaysia. Kuala Lumpur.
Kuala Lumpur.
Kampung Baru.
Oh, Kampung Baru.
Yes.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. Now, guys, you heard that #1 nasi lemak here in Kuala Lumpur. Let's go. Alright guys, so let's begin Nasi Lemak. First time trying Nasi Lemak. Hopefully it tastes good. Let me see how it tastes like. Okay, so what shall I start with first? I'll start with, oh my god, what's this? Fish? They gave me some fish. Anchovies. Try with the anchovies first. Bismillah. Oh, okay, so apparently this anchovies, I'm not really a fan of anchovies. I'm gonna move on to the potato. So let's see the potato. Get some egg.
Egg.
Bismillah. Not bad. Not bad. By the way, this is the first time me trying Nasi Lemak. Wow. Get a bit of egg. Not bad. Really nice, to be honest. And then let's try this meat.
So good.
So this meat, I think it's lamb. Let's try the lamb. Yeah, this is lamb. This is lamb, right?
Daging, yeah.
Really good. Guys, so I'm gonna try this chicken, sweet chicken. I decided to go for the sweet chicken instead of the bitter chicken. So let's see how I do this. Very thick piece of chicken here. Thank you, bro. Oh yes.
Just bite it.
I'm scared it might fly off. Let's try this. Bismillah. Wow. Nice. This is really nice. Surprise. So it's got this sweet texture, a bit like sweet and sour, but it's nice though. This ayam is nice, guys. A little bit chewy but delicious. The taste is nice. Alright guys, I'm done. I can't eat no more. Beautiful, delicious Nasi Lemak. I'm so stuffed, honestly. I'm done. But let me quickly show you the shop. This shop. Sister, what is this name of the shop?
Nasi Lemak Wanjo.
Nasi Lemak
Wanjo.
Wanjo.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go, guys. So Nasi Lemak Wanjo. That's a wrap. Stuff I can't do no more. I'm not gonna kill myself. Like I said, I don't know how you vloggers, food vloggers, do all that food down your stomach. Oh my god. Oh, I feel like I'm not even gonna show you that part. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.